I want to talk about this cordless vacuum cleaner that AZVKEA sent me to do a video on. This is my buddy Charlie right here. He is the main reason that I have to vacuum pretty much constantly in my house. You can see right there, I have white rugs, black dog. That's a problem. Also, I have some linoleum, I have some hardwood, so I have a number of different areas that I need to vacuum. Taking a look at what you get right out of the box, you get the battery right there. You get a number of attachments. Right there in the back left, that is a mount if you want to mount it on the wall. That is the bottom bracket. You get some instructions that break it right down for you. Right there, you have the extender arm, and right back there is the main suction. And piece of cake, once I get it charged up, once you turn it on right there, you can see that you have that's going to tell you how much of a charge you have. There are a number of different settings as far as power. I'm going to give it a shot right here on the hardwood to start. And I really like the headlights that you get right there. It's tough sometimes, especially even during the daytime. You can try to get into a corner and you can't quite see how dirty it is, what you got going on. So this is going to be a really great feature. This has a HEPA filter as well, and it's got an aromatherapy function as well. So it's going to help it smell a little bit better. And here we are in my bedroom working on the carpet. You can see right there, picking up all of the hair that Charlie's left around. And I'm adjusting the speed of the motor, making sure I can get everything that I need off the carpet. Now, additionally, you get a couple of attachments you can see right here, and they're easy. They're plug and play. You just press the button right there, and that'll release them. Or right here, you can see you press the button and slide them in. No problem whatsoever. Now, who's this going to be good for? I mean, pretty much anyone who likes to have a clean house. The thing I really like about it, being cordless, it's very portable. Sometimes cleaning stairs is a problem. This is going to be great for that, obviously. In my basement sometimes, around the wood stove, it can be a problem. But this has got the power to, clean up pretty much anywhere in this house. So really excited to have it. And this thing will go for a while. You can get 60 minutes of operation on one charge. And right there you can see the collection cup that can collect up to 1.6 liters of debris, getting hair, dirt, everything else off the floors in your home. If you'd like to pick up one for your home, click on the link in the description below.